Today I'm going to rebuild the B18 distributor. Now the first thing you'll want to know before you order the parts for us is this number here. It is the Bosch part number, and it'll typically start with a 0, of course, and it's a 10-digit number, except for the very early ones, which will be something like a VJU4BL33, for instance. But anything apart from the earliest dizzies will have a 10-digit part number. In this case, it's off a 67 GT and is in an 003, what we call an 003 dizzy. That is to say, the Bosch part number is 0231153 an 003 dizzy. And if you call us up and say, I have an 003 dizzy, then